Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC SIERRA 1500 AT4 in a sterling gray metallic. This one is powered by a 3.0 DURAMAX diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Jumping on inside, we do have our jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our AT4 badge up top and our Kalahari accents in the middle and the side stitching. If we follow that stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. And up top, we do have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our dual climate control zones here in the middle. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our push-to-start ignition. This vehicle also does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Down below, we have some additional storage, as well as down here. 2 cup holders, our USB-C and USB charge ports, our shifter, trailer brake controls. And if we take a look here in the middle console, you'll see we do have our wireless charging pad, as well as our USB-C and USB charge ports, and an AC outlet on the right-hand side. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we do have our power adjustable side mirror controls. We also have our AT4 badge up top, and by our handle, we have our seat memory settings and our power locks. Of course, down here, you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. And if we take a look here at the windshield, we do have our heads-up display. And back down to the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera and all the other settings here down below. Up top, we do have our digital rear view display. You can turn it on and off by the flick of a switch. Up top, we have our universal home garage opener, and of course, our controls for our power sunroof. Moving along to the back here, we still have our jet black interior leather heated seats on both sides with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, in the middle, we have our heated seat controls, as well as our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, and 2 cup holders. Behind each front seat, there is cubbies with extra storage and space. And speaking of space and storage, we do have additional cubbies here inside the seat itself and underneath. In the middle, we do have our cup holders and, of course, our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the AT4, we do have our GMC badge in the middle with our front-facing camera and our grille with the AT4 badge on the side. We also have our red tow hooks, LED headlights, and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims on our Goodyear Wrangler tires. Our power adjustable side mirrors, like I mentioned earlier, the AT4 badge on the driver's side door, black running boards, keyless entry, like I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear window, and if we make our way to the back here, we do have our corner assist steps on each side, as well as our dual chrome exhausts. We also have our spare tire underneath, and this vehicle does come equipped with the MultiPro Tailgate. To get the first half down, just press the top button. It'll come down no problem. You can also turn this into a step when needed. And for the second one, just press it once. It'll come down hands-free to lead you to our spray-on bed liner. And of course, our 120-volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC SIERRA 1500 AT4 in a sterling gray metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.